Today, you're going to learn how to set up inventory items in QuickBooks Online. This process is essential if you buy and sell physical products, because tracking inventory accurately ensures your stock levels, sales reporting, and cost of goods sold remain correct. QuickBooks gives you built-in tools to manage all of this, and once everything is set up, the system will update your quantities and values automatically as you purchase or sell items. Start by signing into QuickBooks Online. When your dashboard appears, go to the top right corner and select the Settings icon. From the menu, choose Account and Settings. Navigate to the Sales tab and look for the Products and Services section. This is where you can turn on the features needed for inventory tracking. Enable the option to show the product and service column on sales forms, and also turn on the setting for tracking inventory quantity on hand. These two settings allow you to assign items to transactions and monitor stock levels. Once they are activated, click Save and then Done. Next, go back to the Settings icon and select Products and Services under the Lists section. This will take you to the page where all your item types are created and managed. To add a new inventory item, click New in the top right corner and choose Inventory. A form will appear where you'll enter the details of the product you want to track. Begin by typing in the name of the inventory item. You can also add a SKU or item code if you use one internally. Enter the initial quantity on hand along with the date that quantity is accurate. Choose the inventory asset account, which usually defaults to the correct option. Then enter the sales price and select the income account associated with selling this item. Add the cost of the item and choose the related expense or cost of goods sold account. Select the correct VAT codes for both sales and purchases, and include descriptions for sales forms and purchase forms if needed. When everything looks correct, click Save and Close to create the item. That's it. You've successfully set up an inventory item in QuickBooks Online. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more QuickBooks tips and tutorials.